Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix iPhone yellow display issue. So the first fix is check true tone. If it is turned on, turn it off. For this, go to settings. Now scroll down and find display and brightness. From here, if true tone option is turned on, simply turn it off. Turn this option off. Now the second fix is verify night shift mode. Scroll down and you will find this night shift option. Tap on it and check if night shift mode is manually enabled or scheduled. If so, disable it. If it is scheduled, disable it. The third fix is adjust color filters. For this, go to settings homepage, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size. From here, scroll down and tap on color filters. If it is turned on, simply turn it off. Turn on color filters and tap on color tint. Tap on color tint. Adjust the hue and intensity slider to your preference. So if it does not fix a problem, turn it on and tap on color tint and adjust your intensity as per you like. And so that's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.